Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn a very important lead management topic in Salesforce. That is how we can create lead assignment rule with Queue. Now imagine your company receives hundreds of leads every day in the form of website form, marketing campaigns, Facebook ads, Google ads, trade shows, and some others. So can you manually assign every lead to sales representative? Probably not, right? Because it's a huge amount of data or leads. So that's why lead assignment rules and queues helps us to automate the process. By the end of this video, you will learn what is a queue, what is lead assignment rule, why business use them, how to create the lead assignment rule in step by step, and some real-time example for understanding this lead assignment rule. So first, we need to understand what is queue, how we can create the queue. A queue is a holding area where the record waits until someone takes the ownership. Means when the lead is come, it will currently store in somewhere that we call it as queue. So when the user or the owner will come and see that lead and he will take the ownership. So that we call it as queue. Think like a customer service ticket counter. Customer arrive, their request stay in the common queue. Available agent pick them up and work on them. So Salesforce works similarly. In real-time example, suppose your company receives hundreds new leads daily. So instead of assigning them directly to the sales representative, we use lead and sales queue. Sales team members review that leads and take ownership. Simple and organized way. Why use a queue? Queue helps with distributed workload, prevent leads from being missed, centralized incoming leads, improved lead management. So currently we need one requirement. So for that we will go with creating queues. So currently I have a lead object. In this lead object I have a new button. If I click on new button, so one standard new lead page will be open to create new leads. So in this page, I have something like lead branch. So in this, I have Bangalore and Chennai. So I need to assign the leads based on the branch wise. So that's why I need to create two queues with name of Bangalore queue and Chennai queue. So based on the branch only, I need to assign the lead to their respective owners. So this is my requirement. So how we can do that? So first we need to click on gear icon, click on setup. In quick find box, search like queues. Open queues. So in here we need to create new queue. Click on new button. Label is Bangalore branch. So then we need to add the available objects. So this queue is available for the lead object. So that's why. So I will simply select lead, then add it. So then I need to add the users. Means for this queue, what are the users I need to add? So for example, I have something like Anil Kumar and Basuraj. I will add user for the or owner for the this particular Bangalore branch. So then click on save. So now the Bangalore branch is ready. So I need to create one more branch for the Chennai branch. How we can create? Again, same. Click on new. Type like Chennai branch. So for this also we need to select the object name. So currently I will select like lead. So then we need to select the users. So for this I will select Anil Kaur, and for the understanding purpose I will go with integration user. So click on save. So for the two different batch, we have a two different users or two different owners. So now the queues are ready. Now let's understand the lead assignment rule. A lead assignment rule automatically determines who should receive a lead. So instead of manually assigning leads, Salesforce does it automatically. So for example, based on the branch, lead branch is equal to Bangalore. So it will assign to Bangalore queue. So if lead branch is equal to Chennai, assigned to Chennai branch queue. So this is what actually happens. So now we need to create the lead assignment rule. So what I will do in quick find box, I will search like lead assignment rule. I will open. I will click on new. So rule name is branch wise lead assignment. So then make it as active. Then click on save. So once you saved, again open that. In here, we need to enter the rule entries. Means we need to add some conditions. Means based on the branch wise, right? We need to assign. So the first thing is we need to give the order, the first order. So that's why I will just give like 1. So then we need to give the condition. The first condition is lead branch. So lead branch equal to Bangalore. So our entry condition is lead branch is equal to Bangalore. What should be happen? We need to assign the queue. So currently it will default user. We need to select queue. Then we need to click on the search icon. We need to select Bangalore branch. So then click on save. So now the first thing is done. So if any lead comes with branch is Bangalore, it will assign to Bangalore branch. Now we need to create one more role entries for the Chennai branch. How we can create? Again, click on new button. Give the order as 2. Then select the lead branch. Lead branch. Then lead branch equals to Chennai. If any lead comes from branch is equal to Chennai, that should be only sent for the queue as Chennai branch. So then click on save. So we created 2 queues and we created one lead assignment rule, that is branch wise lead assignment. So based on this condition, branch condition, automatically lead will be assigned to the queue. Means Bangalore branch or Chennai branch queues. After doing all these things, we need to go to Object Manager, search leads, go to page layouts, lead layouts. So in here, we have something like layout properties. So in here, we have something like lead assignment checkbox. So if you click on that, make it as default, then click on OK. Then again, click save. So once you saved, again go back to your leads, home page, again hard refresh once. So now I will create new lead. So simply click on new button, enter all the details. I will enter all the mandatory fields. I will select branch as Bangalore, then click on save. So lead is currently assigned to the Bangalore branch. Means once the lead is created, it will currently staying in queue only. That queue is Bangalore queue. So once the owner or user review the lead and he will take the ownership. So this is how actually the lead assignment rule works. The very important thing we need to remember, that is when we creating lead manually, in here we have one checkbox like assign using active assignment rule. So that should be true. If it's not selected, lead may not follow the assignment rule. So yeah. So today we learn how to create lead queues, how we can add the queue members, how we can create lead assignment rules, automatically route leads to queues. This is one of the most common configuration used in real Salesforce project because companies received lead from multiple channels or branches. So and we need to automatically assign that. So this is the thing most of the company actually do. So I hope you understand these things. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.